Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, ang live stream ng Liga ng Canadian Elite Basketball League maririnig sa wikang Tagalog. Bukas, June 28 sa Langley Event Center, magaganap ang ikalawang Filipino Celebration Game ng Vancouver Bandits. Di lang ito selebrasyon, kundi fundraiser din para suportahan ang mga pangangailangan ng mga epektado ng trahedya sa Lapu-Lapu Day. Ang report mula kay Rhea Santos.
There's a slam dunk, sinupalpal. Yun ang mga gusto kong mangyari during the broadcast so they could feel the energy from their speakers.
Sa paghaharap bukas, June 28 sa Langley Event Center ng professional basketball team ng British Columbia na Vancouver Bandits laban sa Saskatchewan Rattlers. Maririnig ang first ever live stream broadcast ng sikat na Canadian Elite Basketball League sa wikang Tagalog. Sina Harold Abejo at Renz Kadang ang magbibigay ng play-by-play ng laban ng dalawang koponan.
I'm truly honored and also excited na rin to represent the Filipino community. Also, yung by commentating in Tagalog, parang first time ever to mangyayari sa CEBL. Mapakita natin yung language natin, yung culture natin also, and yung deep love natin sa basketball.
Itong Sabado ay para sa inyo, whether you're coming for the action, cause, or for the feel of energy ng ating community. Let's show up, be proud.
2024 nang subukang i-broadcast sa Punjabi ang liga at naging maganda ang pagtanggap dito. Ngayong taon, panahon na raw para subukan ito sa wikang Tagalog. Alay na rin sa Filipino Heritage Month at pagpapakita ng lakas at pagkakaisa ng mga Pilipino matapos ang trahedya sa Lapu-Lapu Day noong April 26.
And now this year, we're doing the same service to the Filipino Nights, so we're kind of going all in on this cultural thing here. I think it's very impactful, just for not only for Filipino Canadians in the Vancouver area. Obviously, there's we had the incident that happened back in April so it's there's a lot of community building and a lot of funds being raised as a result of kind of the events that we're doing on Saturday. It's a really good opportunity to not only give back to the community, but also uplift our culture and showcase who we are on a very large platform.
Aside from reviewing the team stats, player profiles, brushing up my Tagalog sports lingo, I'm preparing myself emotionally so I could bring the Filipino passion through my commentating play-by-play.
Nire-review ko ngayon is yung mga commentating sa PBA. Siyempre, dyan talaga tayo lumaki. As batang Pinoy na lumaki sa Pilipinas na nanonood ng basketball, PBA talaga yung natin. So, kumukuha ko ng mga ibang words yan. May kasama pang foul.
Opisyal ding ipapakita ang bagong logo at alternate jersey, disenyo ng isang Pinoy na isusuot ng mga players ng Vancouver Bandits sa ikalawang taon ng Filipino Celebration Game. Pagsapit ng alas 7 ng gabi Pacific Time, libre worldwide ang panonood sa live stream ng liga sa plus.cebl.ca. Gamitin lamang ang salitang Tagalog bilang promo code. Sa mga makakapunta sa Langley Event Center, asahan na raw ang isang malaking pagdiriwang ng kulturang Pilipino.
Everything from start to finish, from food to the music and dance and even the basketball and passion as well. It's just a whole one big celebration of our culture.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.